Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, heated steering wheel, HD radio, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.